Well, it is not about the Jio platform details that we're talking about, but this Jio platform IPO has sparked interest in the telecom market, and Street now believes that there could be a telecom tariff hike going forward. But we have put across 6 cases here, which actually show us, or which actually make us believe that there won't be a telecom tariff hike going forward, just because Jio platform is coming out with an IPO. The first reason is the fact that the base tariff hike has been recently done. Recently, all the telecom companies had discontinued their base plan of 249 rupees, and with this move, the entry-level pricing is now not the cheapest in globally. Entry-level pricing in India is now quite expensive than what it was earlier. The second reason is that private players' plans are quite expensive than the public companies like BSNL and MTNL. In fact, the base plans of Jio are now much more expensive compared to what BSNL's plans are, and BSNL has recently ramped up its 4G network and is looking to launch 5G anytime soon. And Jio has always kept its focus on gaining more subscribers and not more ARPU. So if Jio at all goes ahead and takes a price hike or takes another tariff hike, then it might start losing customers at least in the rural regions to BSNL, given the fact that BSNL now has a 4G network, looking to develop a 5G network, and its tariff plans are cheaper when compared to Reliance Jio. The third reason is the weakest player, that is Vodafone Idea, in this industry might benefit much more than the bigger players if at all there is a tariff hike. And Jio, on the other hand, would actually benefit with a two-player market, because they have gained most of their subscribers from Vodafone Idea, and they might want to do this even going forward. So taking a tariff hike will benefit Vodafone Idea more than Reliance Jio, is what the market believes at this moment. And if you look at how many major tariff hikes we have taken, the last tariff hike was taken in June 2024, and if you look at the trend, generally there is a gap of nearly 2.5 years between each tariff hike, because the first big tariff hike was taken in December 2019. That hike was of around 30 to 35%. The second major tariff hike was taken in December 2021 of around 20 to 25%. The third tariff hike was taken in June 2024, around 15 to 20%. So at least for the next couple of years, there won't be any big tariff hike that could come in. Now, the fifth reason here is that operator commentary was not quite optimistic on the Q1 call. In fact, Vodafone Idea and both Airtel had said that the base tariff plans are now quite expensive, so they might not look to do a full-fledged tariff hike going forward. And the last reason, investors of a Jio platform, they had invested back in 2020, and they are currently sitting on a good gain. If you look at this table, Facebook had invested close to 43,600 crore rupees for around 10% stake, which is now valued at close to 1,19,000 crore rupees, which is a CAGR return of nearly 18.2%. Similarly, for Google, multiple PE investors that are there, which hold around 10% stake in the company, and sovereign funds which own close to 5.3% stake in the company, all of them are sitting on gains of anywhere between 15.9% to 18.2%. The total consolidated gains that investors have made so far in the last 5 years by investing in Jio platform is close to 17.1%, which is much more than what their general returns is that they get in the US market. So they are sitting on handsome gains, and they would not want to go ahead with a tariff hike going forward. So these are broadly the 6 reasons why there might not be a tariff hike, just because Jio platform is doing an IPO at this moment.